Indio Clothing Review. Pricing explain what you get for your money. If you're shopping for stylish and contemporary apparel, most people get this wrong by assuming all online brands offer similar quality at similar prices. The surprising truth is that Indio Clothing balances quality, material, and design, and pricing reflects that mix. T-shirts and casual tops typically start around, while hoodies, jackets, and premium pieces can range from. Seasonal promotions and bundle deals can reduce costs by 10%, 25%, while shipping usually costs depending on your location. What you get: trendy, durable clothing, modern designs, and an easy online shopping experience. What you give up: slightly higher prices compared to budget retailers and occasional limited stock on popular items. Here's how to maximize value. Step 1. Track seasonal sales or special promotions. Step 2. Use size charts carefully to ensure a perfect fit. Step 3. Consider bundle deals for multiple items to save on shipping. Step 4. Read reviews for fabric quality and durability. You won't believe what happens next if you ignore material care instructions. Some items may require delicate washing to maintain their look and feel. The surprising truth is that Indio Clothing pricing reflects a combination of design, material, and brand positioning, not just the label. In conclusion, Indio Clothing offers a reliable mix of style, quality, and pricing. By understanding material, sizing, and promotions, you can confidently shop and get real value for your money.